Hi, my dear students. So today I'm going to teach you present continuous tense. One thing I would like to tell you first, the most important thing is to identify a sentence. Right? If I am saying मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रही हूँ, so this sentence belongs to which tense? How you can identify a tense? So with the help of these sounds, we can identify the tense very easily. So the sound of present continuous tense is रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. All the sentences that contain this sound at the end, all these type of sentences are included in present continuous tense. Okay? And the rule of present continuous tense is subject is MR, first form of the verb. We add ing with the first form of the verb and object. Right? Use number 1 of present continuous tense is an action is going on at the time of speaking. It means I am telling you about something and that action is also taking place at the same time. Then we use present continuous tense. For example, मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रही हूँ. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रही हूँ. Right? This action is going on. So I am teaching English. Okay? मैं is the subject here. I. With I we use am. Right? And पढ़ाना is a verb here. Action is what? Padhana, teach, and we use ing with first form of the verb, so it is teaching and English. I am teaching English. Alright, now point number 2 is sometimes some events are going on even at the time of speaking. It means what? We are talking about those events, right? But we can't see them, right? Last point is what? We are talking about the events and those events are taking place in front of our eyes. For example, I am teaching English now, right? And the point number 2 is these events are going on. These events are taking place, but we cannot see them. For example, दिन प्रतिदिन जनसंख्या बढ़ रही है, right? This action is going on actually. दिन प्रतिदिन जनसंख्या बढ़ रही है, but we cannot see them exactly, right? It is not happening exactly even in front of our eyes, right? So these type of sentences are also included in present continuous tense. And the answer is population is increasing day by day. So here population is subject because we are talking about population here, and with this subject and with the subject population we use is, right, increase. Badhna is a verb here, right? So with the first form of the verb we use ing as I explained earlier also. So increasing and day by day. So this will be your answer. Population is increasing day by day. Alright, now use third of present continuous tense. Okay, for the events that will take place in near future. We use present continuous tense for the events that are going to take place in near future. It means what? These actions are not happening right now in front of your eyes, but yes, these actions are going to take place in near future. Alright, so these type of sentences we include in present continuous tense. For example, मैं कल दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. Alright, I am not going to Delhi now. I am not going to Delhi right now. Okay, but yes, मैं कल दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. This action is going to be happen in near future. Okay, so the answer is I am going to Delhi tomorrow. Alright, now I am going to tell you the types of sentences. So number 1 is affirmative sentence. We can also call it simple sentence. Okay, the rule of affirmative sentence is subject is MR, first form of the verb with ing and object. Okay, so in affirmative sentences we include all the simple sentences like I am going to Delhi. Okay, there is no negative word, no question. This sentence is very simple. I am going to Delhi. Now second is negative sentences, right? As the word says negative. So the rule of negative sentence is subject, helping verbs is MR plus not. Okay, in negative sentences we include not. Then same, first form with ing and object. So the example is I am not going to Delhi. Okay, मैं दिल्ली नहीं जा रहा हूँ. So whenever there is a word नहीं, okay, we include these sentences in negative sentences. So type third is interrogative sentences. Whenever we ask a question, we called it interrogative sentence. Okay, so the rule of interrogative sentence is helping verbs is MR, subject, first form with ing and object. Okay, in affirmative and negative sentences, we insert helping verb after subject. But when we ask a question, we always use helping verb before the subject. Okay, so the example is, क्या मैं दिल्ली जा रही हूँ? Am I going to Delhi? Clear? And now, the next type is negative interrogative. We can also ask question in a negative manner also. Fine. So is MR plus subject plus not. Okay, we must add not when we are asking a negative question. Okay, is MR plus subject plus not, first form with ing and object. Okay, example is क्या मैं दिल्ली नहीं जा रही हूँ? Am I not going to Delhi? Now the last type is WH interrogative sentences. Whenever we ask a very simple question, क्या मैं दिल्ली जा रही हूँ? Am I going to Delhi? This is a simple interrogative sentence, right? क्या मैं दिल्ली नहीं जा रही हूँ? Am I not going to Delhi? This is negative interrogative. If I say मैं दिल्ली क्यों जा रही हूँ? Here I am asking for the reason also. क्यों? So whenever your sentence contains these type of WH family words like where, why, कब, क्यों, कहाँ, कैसे, right? So we add these WH family word in the beginning. Then we are definitely asking question. So we have to insert helping verb before the subject. Then subject, first form with ing and object. See the example. मैं दिल्ली क्यों जा रही हूँ? Why am I going to Delhi? Must add question mark. Here you can see some examples. Affirmative sentence, we are playing, हम खेल रहे हैं, right? Now the example of a negative sentence, हम नहीं खेल रहे हैं, we are not playing. Now the example of an interrogative sentence, क्या हम खेल रहे हैं? Are we playing? And the fourth is negative interrogative, क्या हम नहीं खेल रहे हैं? Are we not playing? And the fifth is the example of WH family word, हम कहाँ खेल रहे हैं? Here we are asking where are we playing, right? In this sentence, where are we playing? We are asking a question as well as we are asking the place also, right? Where are we playing? So we have to add the WH word at the first place, and after that helping verb and then subject and then first form with the ing.